Here is the classic question. What will happen when the hardest spear hits the hardest shield? If you ask a philosopher, she may ask you, what does the word hardest mean? If you ask a scientist 100 years ago, she may find something hard and hammer it for 1,000 times. And me? I will just ask AI. Hi guys, I'm Professor Qiu, an assistant professor at the Department of Material Science and Engineering. Have you ever wondered how your phone battery charges so fast, or how electric cars get their power? If you take apart this phone, you will find the casing, the screen, the circuit board, the battery. Each one is made from carefully designed materials. From the battery in your pocket to the metals in a spaceship, materials are the foundation of modern technology. Finding one useful material used to take years, even decades of trial and error. Scientists would mix chemicals, run tests, and hope for a breakthrough. Think of it like searching for a needle in a haystack, except for the haystack has millions of pieces. In the past, discovering a new battery material meant testing thousands of combinations by hand. Researchers spent decades optimizing a common battery electrolyte, lithium hexafluorophosphate, just to make your phone last a little longer. Despite the discovery, this slow process meant many great materials were simply never discovered. So what if you could do it smarter? AI is now helping scientists predict which material will work before they even step into the lab. Let me show you a real example. Microsoft and PNNL used AI to analyze 32 million battery material candidates and find 18 variable ones in just 80 hours. That's a task used to take decades. Tools like MP Predictor and Nomad AI Toolkit now let anyone predict materials' properties just by typing a chemical formula. This is how AI is transforming material science faster, smarter, and more powerful than ever. For centuries, we have discovered materials like tasting food, one bite at a time. Through trial and error, scientists built our modern world. Now AI gives us a powerful new tool. It learns from millions of materials and predicts which ones will work best, saving time, cost, and effort. But AI isn't perfect. We still need scientists and engineers to test, question, and improve. It's a cycle from hypothesis to AI prediction, experiment, and new insights. This loop is how we fast-forward discovery and build smarter, greener technologies. After all, AI is not just for experts, it's a powerful tool for everyone. With AI, the future of materials is wide open. What new materials will you help discover with AI? Peace.